Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Flexclip.com. Flexclip is a platform that you can go on to create or edit videos and also create content for social media. Once on Flexclip, you're going to tap on Start from Scratch. And from here, you will see the option Timeline Mode or Storyboard Mode. You can choose from either option depending on what you're planning to do. And you can also change the screen resolution, as you can see here, depending on the platform that you're planning to create content for. So let's say, for example, you're creating content for TikTok. You would choose 9:16, or for Instagram Reels, you would choose 9:16. After you have chosen the size, you will simply tap on Choose and give it a few seconds, and it will quickly redirect you to this page right here. And by the way, to get started on Flexclip is completely free, while they do offer subscription plans. That is completely up to you, as you still have access to numerous features that I'm sure you will find handy by signing up. It's completely free. All you'll need to do is sign in with your email address, and that's it. And from here, you'll be able to choose from different templates that you can edit. So for example, you will see the most popular, and you can tap on See All to see even more options when it comes to templates. Or if you would like to upload media from your laptop or PC, or for example even your phone, that's one of the advantages when it comes to Flexclip. So let's say, for example, you have content on your phone and you want to add it on your Flexclip, but you're using it on your PC. You can simply tap on the phone icon right here that says Upload from Phone, and you will see the QR code. You can quickly scan this QR code on your phone, and you'll be able to transfer the content from your phone to Flexclip right here. This is very handy. After you have uploaded the media, or you could tap on Recording, and you can also use their screen recording feature if you would like to screen record, and this is handy also. So let's say I tap on Local Files, as I want to upload something from my PC. I can quickly go into Downloads, and from here I'll simply select this right here, then tap on Open, and you can see it right there. And if to add it to your current storyboard, you'll simply tap on the plus. And also to add text or font, you can simply tap on text right here. And after selecting text, you will see the different text styles, and you can simply tap on the one to your liking. And you could also select subtitle if you want, as you can see right here, and you can see modern titles that you can choose from, as there are numerous options on how you can customize this. And also, if you would like to add the subscribe button to your video, you can simply tap on it right here. So you could simply drag that down, then you can minimize it. And you can see by double tapping on the text, you'll be able to change the text color. As I said earlier, it's quite user friendly and easy to customize. And let's say I tap on video. You'll be able to choose from some royalty-free videos that they have right here that you can choose from. You can see stock video, and you could select any one of these depending on what you want to create. And you can also choose from royalty-free photos, and you also have royalty-free music that you can choose from. As you can see there are numerous options you can choose from, and you could also add your personal branding if you want. So you could tap on branding, and from here you could input your branding text right here if you would like to brand your specific video. And once you're finished, you'll tap on export in the top right hand corner, and from here you can choose whether you would want to export it 1080p or 720p. You can decide, and you'll simply tap on export, and its export time is actually very good. I'll be doing more videos on how to I'll break down even more stuff on how to use Flexclip. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.